Today we're featuring a 2014 Honda CRV EX. It's got 69,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2-owner. Alright, it's alabaster silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Alright, it is equipped with the sunroof. It's got the alloy wheels. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, everything looks really good on the exterior of the CRV. It is a certified unit as well. Give you some extra coverage there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the gray cloth seating. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. No problem there. Alright, it does have the console, the center console that opens here. It does have your auxiliary power outlet and USB port there. You have another power outlet there. It does come with 3 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Let's go ahead and lift this up for you. It's in good shape. Go ahead and pan out, get you a shot of your sunroof here. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your climate control area here, AM FM CD player. It'll have your display screen right there with the backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And it's got your ECON button over here. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, now that we've got it started, we've got 69,902 miles. And then there's your display screen right there that I mentioned before. Let's go ahead and engage your backup camera. AM FM CD, your climate control area. AC is already blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all back here. Really clean CRV with 69,000 miles on it. Alright, it is a certified piece. It gets some extra coverage. 172-point inspection, so it's looked over really good. Make sure there's no issues with it. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the back. Carpet back here is clean. Got the nice sunshade back here too. Alright, and then these handles, really cool feature on these CRVs. These handles, you simply pull the handle, alright, and it's going to take your back seats forward for you. Alright, and then it'll really open it up back here. You can remove this sunshade. Now you can see how much it really opens it up back there. Alright, and then it's really easy to lift the seats up. They're really light, but they are durable and strong. Simply just push it back into place just like that. So simply just lift it and then put the seat back here. Clicks back in. It's really easy. I did that with one hand, so it's really light. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. All right, almost a brand new set of tires. You can see how much tread's left there. A lot of tread left on them there. All right, once again, we got a certified 2014 Honda CRV EX, 69,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, just 2 owners. Things in great shape, okay, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.